Okay, this is actually like our first big thing apart from Parker and Becca. And what do? We go straight into the jungle. Now this is the Old Hairy Rocks. We just saw the big old sign painted, so I think we're in the right location. Maybe this is because we're from the Rocky Mountains, or maybe it's because we're dumb, but everybody else has a whole heap of gear for hiking, and we are in tennis shoes. And
I'm literally wearing like the canvas shoes.
yeah, so we'll see how bad this gets. Luckily for us, the rain let up, so it should be pretty good. Maybe get the drone out, get some good pictures and videos. We'll see.